This video is absolutely necessary because there are a lot of new people on this channel, and I think a reintroduction is important, especially because August is going to be a little bit different. All right, so I'm supposed to talk about how I set up a goal and already failed for August, but let me just rewind a little bit. For everybody who is new here, my name is Clementine Ofana, but you can call me Dr. Clem. And I started my YouTube channel teaching people how to find remote work opportunities, but also showing them the adventures that I was going on when I was traveling. I started traveling, I started working remotely when I was traveling as a student, and remote work was a way for me to fund my travels as a student, and then it just continued it became a thing for me. And along the way, I have been working remotely for like maybe 10 plus years now. And I started officially coaching on this like about 4 or 5 years ago. But then now I created a different channel for remote work. So on this specific channel where you're watching this video, we are only focusing on travel because I know that there are some people who are not necessarily looking into remote work or anything like that. So when it comes to travel, I focus on adventure and sustainability, or more like I actually decided to niche into these fields because I felt like, these were the fields that were appealing more to me. I feel like I love adventure, I love being outside, I love the outdoors, but I'm not going to do like crazy adventures, but like I like being outside and in the outdoors. And sustainability, because I feel like whenever we travel, we should be able to leave places better than we found them, right? And when we talk about sustainability, that's probably something I'm also going to define more on this channel. I focus mostly on community culture and cuisine, and a lot of times when people think about sustainable travel, they don't really know, or we have this idea that it's all about like being all green and so forth. But on my channel, I'm going to show you ways in which you can actually travel sustainably without having to be green, boring, everything. Now, how did I set up a goal for August and already failed? For the month of August, I decided that I wanted to go on a journey where I post one video on YouTube and write one article per day. Why? Because as a content creator, I got to a point where, and every content creator gets to that point, I got to the point where I had so much content, so many videos, like literally full-blown YouTube vlogs of adventures, experiences, and amazing places where I got to go, but I never had the time to edit them. And if you have any friend who is in videography, content creation, ask them. We all get to that point. So I got to that point, and it's not because I didn't want to, it's just because other things took precedence, right? So, and I felt like for me, I want to get back into editing long form videos, and I want to share more of these adventures, these experiences with you. And also I need to make storage space, in my memory cards, because like I'm tired of like moving videos from one memory card to the other, and I want to share more of those things with you. So I said, you know what, let me see if I can let me challenge myself to create one long form video per day for August and one article per day for August. Because again, long form content, because I've been really focusing on short form content. And I set up that goal, and we are, at the time you're watching this video, we are on August 10th, which means I should have already had 10 videos out, but I think I did maybe 3 videos or maybe 4, which means I'm short of 6 videos, and to me it's a failure according to my own standards. In terms of the articles, I haven't written any new article on my website. I have edited articles, which doesn't count, but I haven't written any new articles, so I'm 10 articles short. And we are on August 10th, and I really want to catch up. I think I understand why I failed. The reason why I failed was because I didn't have a clear plan on how to achieve it, and I didn't create an environment that was conducive for me to actually achieving that. But we can talk more about that later, and what I want to do is probably give you an update as we go along, but we can talk more about that later. This video is not for that. But I'm going to catch up. I know I'm going to catch up, and I'm going to push myself. And if you're watching this video, if you've watched this far, and you come on my channel, first of all subscribe, and then you come on my channel and you don't see the video of the day moving forward, starting from August 11, call me out. Comment somewhere, comment in the community, comment on any old videos and be like, Clem, where's the video? Because I really want to do this. I really want to stick to my word. No, I didn't tell you another reason why I decided to do this challenge is because I want to create more discipline in my content creation process, specifically for long form content. As you might or might not know, creating longer videos for YouTube takes a lot more time, it takes a lot more effort, and sometimes when I look at all the work that I have to do, I'm like, bruh. Whereas the short videos, they also take time and work, like what I share on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. By the way, if you're not following me on those platforms, the handle is the same, Travel with Clem. Those videos take time, but not as much as the long form videos. But I think that I actually really enjoy the editing process. I enjoy creating. I enjoy watching the footage that I have. And by doing this challenge, I will not just push myself to edit better. I will also push myself to rewatch my old content, relive it, but also see different ways in which I can improve even the way I capture the content and create even better videos or a better video experience for you guys. So this is the challenge for August. We are on August 10th, on the day when I'm recording this video, and I just came from a speaking engagement, and I'm like, you know what, I have my makeup on, let me just save the day and post this video. And so that's what I'm going to do. So moving forward now, what should you expect for this channel in August? So here's what you should expect from this channel in August. It might be a little bit, I don't want to say chaotic, but I want to say that the videos that you're going to see me posting every day are going to have a different theme, right? Currently, you're going to see a lot of content, first of all, about Dominica. Dominica is the island where I spent 15 years and where I really kicked off my content creation journey. I love my Dominican family so much. Y'all know already. And I love the support that you guys give me. So you're going to see a lot of content about Dominica because we are getting into we are preparing for the festive season in Dominica, which is in October. So you're going to see me posting a few times content about Dominica for people who are looking to travel to Dominica for the World Creole Music Festival and so forth. So I'm going to be pushing that type of content. If you are into that, please engage, share, comment, and let me know that you like and you enjoy that content, right? Dominica also has now an Olympian for the first time, Tia Lafont, gold Olympian. Dominicans, you already know this. And so I posted a few videos about ways I think that her experience can be used to bring more sustainable tourism in Dominica. So you might see more content geared towards that, also more content geared towards the Olympics and what we can learn from the Olympics. But I'm going to make it more relevant to my field, which is adventure and sustainable travel, and also like personal development and resilience and so forth, because I love that kind of stuff. So if you see me posting content about that kind of thing and you like it, let me know as well. You're also going to see more content about my Cross Canada tour. And so in May, I embarked on my Cross Canada tour, where I decided to explore every single province and territory in the country to show you the things that you can do in Canada, but also to show you that you can travel solo and showcase sustainable activities that you can do when you are exploring Canada and even when you are doing your own travels. So this month, finally, I'm going to be rolling out the long form content for this. So I'm really excited to be sharing that. So if you want to see more content about Canada, what Canada looks like, you know, what each province has to offer, you want to make sure that you subscribe and you engage with those videos, right? What else would I be sharing on this channel? So yeah, my speaking engagements. So I've been doing a lot more speaking engagements, and I love talking about finances, remote work, women empowerment, spirituality, that is kind of like weaved into the content that I create and the video and the engagements that I do. And so you will see a lot more of that as well in August. When I have a speaking engagement, I'm going to like try to like edit the videos and just post it, and I'm only going to use the snippets that are going to be relevant to you, that I think might be useful to you based on the pillars that my content is anchored on. So if you want to see, if you like those videos, just you can engage with them. And the reason why I'm sharing these different things is because in the past I have felt like, you know, it's not always easy to know what your audience will like, and to me it's also a way not just to push the content, but also to see what you like, what you react to, and so forth. And also because I don't want to limit my creativity to just one thing. I think beyond just travel, there are other things that I do, there are other things that I share, there are other parts of me that I want to share, and that can potentially empower you as well. And sometimes I feel like I might not have a travel video ready, but I have a speaking engagement video ready, and I don't want to feel like, okay, let me work on the travel video first. There's a lot of stuff that goes into all of this, but I will be sharing a lot of those things, and just to let you know that if you see something that doesn't relate to what you like to see, or what will entertain you, or what you will want to learn from, it's okay for you to pass. But if you find that you like the videos, engage, leave a comment, like it, share it, and let me know. Like, I would love to know your insights. So yeah, August is my birthday month, and although August is also my creative, a month where I want to put a lot of creativity. I'm going to be posting the daily YouTube videos starting from today's the 10th when I'm recording this video. So if you don't see a video every single day until August 31st, please hold me accountable, okay? Like, comment under the community, comment under the video, and hold me accountable. I'm also going to do the same thing on my website, where I'm going to be writing a new article every single day. starting today, okay, tonight, because I'm recording this video at night. So yes, that's what to expect from my channel in August. I think in September I'm going to do an update video on this, but let me just work through the August content, okay? I'm going to share a lot of the adventures that I have done. A lot of the adventures that I've done so far, content that hasn't been edited yet, and I hope you like it. And August should be fun. The rest of August should be fun. So I have 21 days to stick to what I said I was going to do, and I hope that this also encourages you to stick to what you say, the promises that you make to yourself, and get things done. So let me know what you thought about this video. If you are new here, welcome, subscribe, and we are in for a wild, diverse, and very fun ride in August.